Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. My name is your host, Tommy Cam. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about in this video is talking about the top 5 things that I should have knew the last time I went down there to Florida to get ready for my trip on the Carnival Glory with Carnival Cruise Lines during the month of July. So I hope you guys are ready. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And let's get this video started. So the first thing that I learned, which was the first thing that I learned was that going to a new theme park and going to looking around the different areas. You guys have so much different stuff there, which I think is so very different. Okay, so each park has a park to park ticket, except for SeaWorld, if you guys want to go next to Discovery Cove. Which honestly, I went to SeaWorld and I thought that place was okay. The food could have been better. The ride controls were really good. That's the best part. The other parts that I think which was really good was the motion of the different areas. So you guys go all the way over there to the different areas, which is over there. So whenever you guys go look inside each area, you guys got to imagine yourself going on a movie that you guys would like in your own time. So down there at Universal Studios Hollywood, that place is so big. That place is congested into 4 different areas: Classical Universal Rides, Pixar Field, the movie set, the Great Movie Ride, in different areas, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. So also there are several different areas that you guys got to take in some consideration. That sometimes the rides might be off. And also looking around at the different radio frequencies, you guys have so much different opportunities, is so neat on their end. I went to Universal Studios in that park. I gotta tell you guys something, that park is so big, you guys would get lost in there, just saying. Now, the only thing that I recommend you guys do it's to make sure you guys pack the necessities. like, 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 like if you guys are going to go on Jurassic River cruises, and it's like about 30 degrees out, I would I would probably recommend you guys just go around. You guys choose your area, and then after that, Jurassic River cruises, you guys need to bring your own towel for it. Because the rule on there, which I think is really kind of interesting, is that you guys cannot video any of the rides without without letting their parks and communication know, which I think is really kind of interesting. So also like to show you guys outside right now. Look you guys, it is currently raining outside, and this is because of a big storm that is going over my state right now, which is pretty much going all over the entire United States. Which honestly, the first thing that I probably would recommend you guys do is just mark on your to-do list that you guys will do some radio frequency journeys. You guys will go around at each area. You guys will find out each area and like listen to their rules, because sometimes you guys might find information like off the computer, like of their different call signs and stuff, and hey, their call signs might be different than yours, than your different area, which I think is really kind of interesting. And another thing that I think is a really good thing to take in psych radiation is that their different radio fields that they use are so different. So let's just say you guys are going to like a zoo, okay? So the Cincinnati Zoo has their own communication, which they're using a DMR radio system, which that DMR radio system is encrypted and you guys cannot listen to it. Well, that's on their behalf. So the second zoo is the Indianapolis Zoo, and the Indianapolis Zoo has like the entire radio system they use is turned over to NXDN, which I honestly do not like NXDN radios. That is not the coolest radio system, I think. So also like looking around like at these several different areas that you guys can go find out, like number one, the first area that I recommend you guys do is just wherever you guys go, just go there and relax and have a good time. Because sometimes the areas I go to, I just go there and have a good time and just relax. And that's the reason why that every time I go up there to the State House during Valentine's Day, I go up there for for like the amusement and fun of going and seeing our senators, our House of Representatives, and our different stuff there. Now, just saying, down there at the Evansville Zoo, they are narrow FM, which that park is a really small park. So I hope everybody is having a great day. And if you guys are new to my channel, I recommend you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos if you guys haven't already did. And just to do a recap on this video, we talked about my top 3 theme parks that I went to there in Orlando. I talked about a different zoo radio changes, and I also talked about some stuff that I don't like on the radio scanner ends. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm trying to do more sit down videos, and whenever I graduate from the Excel Center, we are going to be busy on my YouTube channel. That is for sure. Alright, you guys, that's it. Have a great day. In YouTube, I will see you guys tomorrow for another video.